Set to go now with our next performance in that Parade of Champions, and it is from our 11-12 division. It comes out of our hip-hop category, and it is a group that has been together for many, many years. And because these kids have danced together for so long, they have formed great friendships. Their dedication, it goes out to their choreographer, that is Mr. John Michael. Also, a big shout-out for their teachers and their parents for all of the time, support, and love they have invested in these young men and ladies. It is Edmund, Micaiah, Emma Jane, Nia, Lindsay, Hannah, and Jada. Make some noise. Here comes Dirty Pop.
Dirty Pop. Sick inside of him and all these people talk about what's the deal with this pop life and when is it gonna fade out? I think you got to realize what we're doing is not a trend. We got the gift of melody, we're gonna bring it till the end. It doesn't matter. Wrap around my neck. All that matters. That you back tonight, it's just about respect. It doesn't matter. I'm about to close the window and where I go and why. All that matters. Since you get I'm gonna do it to you every time. Come on now. Too high, it takes you on a ride. Starts to buy. Just try to dance now. All you got, come on now.
Mic check. Hold up. Oh! We gon' go to the ATL with this right here. Turn up, gang. Turn up, gang. Turn up, gang. Dab on, 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 like oh, dab on, 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 like oh, dab on, 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 like oh, dab on, 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 like oh. With the same guy, same since day one. No, you can't hang with us. Turn up game when we